I'll take this off because it hurts. I just been putting it on, don't know why, but I just wanted to. I've just been updating my videos. It's part 2. 24 hours in the same day. I don't know how long we got left. How long have we got left? How long have we got left? 1 hour, 15 minutes, and 48 seconds. 21 hours. I feel like it's going up. Yeah. It's gone down. I just don't want to waste you guys now. I don't want to do part 3. I'm going to pause you for... Might be doing link bands. Just been bored for ages. What can I do? I don't know. I can just update more videos, but I have to finish this video. That means I'm going to do something when the camera's off. Guys, this is really bad.
I'm just trying to find something to wear. I'll try, but she's already run me around, don't she? So I might have to get a taxi. Come here.
I don't know what to do. Millie's watching whatever that is. Just comes up with funny pictures. The way to hate evil. One of the pictures said. So I don't know what I should do. I'm just going to be sitting here for now. It's been right in. You're wondering why I have this? Because they break up. You know, buddy. You think that will be a pen? It's just ran out. And at the back it says about YouTube. Upside down. I've written this upside down. I've written this upside down. now. I have to find something to do. No, he's just on the floor. I'm just going to be writing in this now. Come back to ya. Guys, that
I said
Millie's a scratch
shaggy and brown. I carry his mouth.
Sorry.
Do you know
Guys,
song?
I am back. Yeah.
You know the song, "Oh Come All Ye Faithful"? No. I've heard of the song, but has anyone actually ever listened to the tune of it?
No.
Knows it.
Guys, I am on now. Do you want to see Millie? She'll be popping right.
I said I have to pop my head in because you haven't seen me in this video.
Still has to sit here.
What?
Sit here.
No. I want half of my own video. What is that? Me and Ellie are two very hard-working YouTubers. No money. Money. I'm joking. We do it for the fans. No. Can you get me subscribers?
I would never want the money to do that. I just want to hang out with you.
Come all ye faithful carry on, Millie.
Millie's just singing a song.
I gotta try and balance this.
I'm fixing the world.
I thought we haven't had an actual video where we're going to sit down and talk. Me talk, you gotta listen. You've got no choice, you're watching the video. Basically, I'm Millie, yeah, Millie and Joe. This video is all about getting to know me. I would do Draw My Life. I realised I can't draw. It'd be me draw scribbles and say it's my life. Anyway,
I'm going to draw.
I wanted to become a YouTuber because I got inspired by a lot of people. Like,
By me?
basically, a lot of YouTubers I used to watch going to live a great life. My mum says if YouTubing doesn't work out, become a baker because I'm really good at that. And we agreed on that plan. I'm trying to make this YouTuber thing work out because I want to like YouTubers to get to travel everywhere they go to. Like, I don't know what they're called. What are they called when YouTubers go to those little?
I don't know.
I don't know what it's called, but it's been really fun. You get to meet all your friends.
Oh, toy thing.
No, it's something else.
Oh. Great.
Kind of like a meet and greet, yeah. Yeah.
I'm doing a meet and greet one day. I want to.
I'm hoping next year, in 2019, me and Ellitopia are going to be doing
I'm just going to draw
a
eyes.
joint YouTube account.
I'll show you after.